How can I use Mashallah in a sentence?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we're discussing a common term in Arabic culture, Mashallah. This phrase is frequently used among Arabic speakers, both religious and secular. But what does Mashallah mean, and how can it be used in a sentence? That's what we'll explore in this video.
What does Mashallah mean?
The term Mashallah, or Mashallah, is Arabic for what God has willed, or as God has willed it. It's used to express appreciation, joy, praise, or thankfulness for an event or person that was just mentioned. It can also be a polite way of acknowledging another's good fortune without inviting the evil eye.
When to use Mashallah?
Mashallah is often used to celebrate good news or to congratulate someone. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in a variety of contexts, both formal and informal. Some common situations include celebrating personal achievements, admiring someone else's achievements, or expressing appreciation for beauty.
Examples of Mashallah in a sentence.
Now that we understand what Mashallah means and when to use it, let's look at a few examples of how it can be used in a sentence. 1. Upon hearing good news, you got promoted? Mashallah, that's fantastic. 2. When appreciating someone's beauty or achievements, Mashallah, your children are so well behaved. 3. To ward off the evil eye when complimenting, your new house is beautiful, Mashallah. Remember, the usage of Mashallah may slightly vary depending on the region and the cultural context. But these examples should give you a general idea of how to use it in conversation. And that wraps up our video on how to use Mashallah in a sentence. We hope you now have a better understanding of this phrase and feel more comfortable using it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool to connect with other cultures, so don't shy away from using these phrases to enrich your communication. Until next time, thank you for watching, and take care.